Here I would like to tell you one more thing. You already know in cash flow statement, whenever we use the word cash, it includes cash as well as cash equivalent. You know, cash equivalent means marketable securities. And one thing more, we have to prepare cash flow statement as per the requirement of accounting standards. Whenever we make the financial statements, it must be supported by cash flow statement in every company. Here I would like to explain you one more term. Maybe you are aware. You will find it B/O or C/C. It means bank overdraft or cash credit. These are just like negative cash balances. I mean to say, suppose your company has 50,000 rupees in your current account, and in another account there is bank overdraft of rupees 10,000. So your bank balance will be taken as 40,000 rupees, because on one side you are keeping 50,000 rupees and another side you owe 10,000 to the bank. It's just like temporary loan. I try to explain this bank overdraft with the help of one example. Suppose you have got 10,000 rupees in your account, and today you want to issue a check of rupees 15,000 to someone. You know that if you give the check of rupees 15,000 to the party, this check cannot be cleared because you don't have sufficient balance in your account. If you have got some understanding with the bank, you can issue the checks and the bank will clear the check. What it means? You had only 10,000 rupees, but the bank has paid 15,000 rupees to your party. It means there is overdraft of rupees 5,000. So this is the understanding between bank and your company, that whenever you get new cash, whether in the form of sales or something, you will deposit it in the bank and your overdraft will be clear. So bank overdraft is just like a temporary loan for a few days. And at this stage, I can say that CC, I mean to say cash credit, is almost the same thing. One example. Suppose on 1st January 2010, you have got hard cash in your box, that is 10,000 rupees, and you have got bank balance of rupees 20,000 in a bank in your current account. You know, if you are running some business, you have to open the current account. You cannot operate your transactions through any savings account. And in another account, in the same bank or another bank, you have got bank overdraft of rupees 5,000. So what is the exactly cash balance with you at this moment? That is 10,000 plus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5, 25,000 rupees. So you can say that at present my cash and bank balance is 25,000 rupees, not 30,000 rupees. Now let's prepare a cash book. You know, cash book is prepared, you have already learned, in T shape. On left side it is called debit and right hand side it is called credit side. In other words, I can say all plus items are put on debit side and all minus items are placed on credit side. Or in other words, to simplify this thing, I can say that on debit side you write down receipts and on credit side you write down payments. So let's prepare one cash book. To balance BD 5,000, 2 sales 6,000, 2 furniture 1,000, 2 commission 2,000, and the total is 14,000 rupees. And on credit side, buy purchases 5,000 rupees, expenses 2,000, computer 4,000, buy balance ED 3,000, total 14,000. So this is the cash book. You have made so many times in your classroom this type of cash book. It's a very simple cash book. What I'm trying to tell you, that cash book records all the transactions date-wise. But when you prepare the cash flow statement, all these receipts and all these payments will be grouped in 3 activities. And those 3 activities or those 3 categories are operating activities, financial activities, and investing activities. So this is the only thing you have to do to prepare the cash flow statement. And one thing more I would like to tell you, that all transactions fall in these categories. There is no any other activity that you will find it, or you find any transactions, cash transaction, that you are not able to find that in which categories it will fall. So very soon I'm going to explain you what are these activities and what are the transactions fall in the category of different activities or groups.